Hey, welcome back to my channel, The Quilted Gardener. It is Friday the 17th of September. I'm sitting here printing out orders at the moment. I'm hoping I look okay on this video because I still can't see very well. My allergies, I've never had an allergy attack like that before in my life. Turn my eyeball swelled up. Crazy. So, I've been kind of just stuck upstairs. I mean, I can see. It's just everything's so blurry, like, you know, like when you, I don't know, put eye drops in and your eyes get all blurry. That's what my eyes seem like right now, so, a little annoying. So I'm sitting here working on orders. I have a couple UK ones that I need to get figured out shipping-wise, and I'll do that today. If I can get my computer to open up the post office. There we go. Dang it, I left my stapler upstairs. So today I was going to talk to you about quilting with panels, and it's not really easy to see. But this quilt here, see if I can zoom in on it without it looking really crazy. Because I did find, yeah, no, it looks a little crazy. I did this quilt probably 2 years ago. My nephew's been trying to swindle it out of me since it got done, and he saw it. That panel is no longer available, and I don't understand why, because it was really popular. And then this one over here is also done with panels, but this one there was no pattern. I utilized the colors, you know, the black, the red, the gray, throughout the quilt, and then the outer edges. That was a Christmas layer cake that I had that I just really didn't know what I was going to do, and you can see, you know, that's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be on the bottom. But I did it the same on both sides, so it looks like it's supposed to be that way. And then it's way taller than that. I had to fold it down just so that this would be up and visible. So, and then I just used fabrics I had in my stash, things I had bought over the years, and I just color coordinated them, moving outwards to the edge. This one is a queen size quilt, so it will be getting quilted here pretty soon. I don't really quilt a lot in warmer weather, just because I get irritated and I get hot and I don't like to sweat. Now the quilt next to it, those are fabrics that are from the store also, and the barns and the churches are panels, and I just cut those all the same size and then bordered them in alternating fabrics, and it's way bigger than that. It's partially underneath this one. That's probably more like a good sized twin, and that is actually for one of my aunts in Texas, so that'll be getting quilted here pretty soon. The one that used to be behind me that was so bright, which is over here in my pile of like 10 that need to be quilted, was my sister's, and so of course that'll be going on there too. But I have 2 baby quilts I've got to get done and shipped. I thought I had longer than what I do, which I'm a month less than what I thought. So that'll be my weekend project, getting that done. So, but when you're quilting with a panel, it's a good thing, you know, for beginners especially. Because you can just do strips. You can do 4 patches. I have one upstairs that I haven't brought downstairs yet, that I'm doing, you know, small 9 patches on with coordinating fabrics from that panel. And which, speaking of that, I had planned on doing the lighted Christmas tree panel tutorial, but then I can't really sew when my eyeballs don't work that well, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. I took some Zyzal yesterday, and it knocked me on my butt for quite a long time. So, but it worked. That's all that matters. I can pretty much see. I mean, my vision is blurry, like I said. So, I had a few screw-ups on orders that I am correcting today. They'll all be picked up tomorrow. The ones going out of country, I actually have to take to the post office. And at the moment, we are down a vehicle once again. Our mechanic just did not do a good job. And we'll leave it at that on my Trailblazer. So, hopefully, I'll get those to the post office on Monday. And I have extremely dry mouth, so of course there's something in my mouth. Trying to make sure I have the right person. Don't want to double print like I did last time. And then once I'm caught up on orders, I will be working on the price reduction on fabrics that I'm trying to move out pretty quick. And I'll announce that when those are done, where the price changes are made. Something strange just popped up on my computer. But other than that, I mean, I was going to take you guys down to Southgate. That might be happening on Sunday. I did not go during the beginning of the week because I had some other things come up that I needed to take care of. So, other than that, that's about it for today. I mean, I've got to get orders done. Some of my screw-ups I've got to fix. There's two. And then I'm pretty sure that's it. You'll be seeing some different things when I post videos now. There'll be more hashtags, things like that. You know, nothing huge. The bylines for all my pages will be now on my videos, but in the description, not like, you know, on the screen or anything like that. So, yeah, I think some pretty good changes are coming about. The new fabrics from Hoffman have not arrived yet. I talked to them on Friday, this past Friday, and they are behind due to some bolting issues. So as soon as they get it, they'll ship it to us. As soon as I get it, I'll ship it to you. No one has it at the moment. It got, it was a really big screw up. Apparently a job got put before that one or something. I don't know. They try to explain to me. I'm like, yeah, okay, whatever. It would just be nice if they contacted us to let us retailers know when things like that happen instead of us having to call and try to track down the things that we've ordered. So, as far as that goes, though, I mean, those should be here in the next few days. As soon as I get them, I will ship them. So, I've had a couple people ask me about that. So, and I get it. And I think that's it for today. So, I'm going to do a little bit more in-depth on how to do a panel once I get this back here straightened out a little bit more. And then I will be doing the flying geese tutorial here pretty soon too. Once I get my hole cut a little bit bigger so my machine fits down in there, my 4411 is bigger than my Genome was. So it's got to be cut out a little bit more. And I had planned on doing that the other day, but once again, my allergies just kind of screwed everything up for me that day. The last couple of days, actually. So, seems like I'm allergic to the rain. I have no idea. So that's it as far as updates go today. So I'll catch you on the flip side. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I will be leaving links to the store, QPI, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my blog. So, which I haven't blogged in a while. I'm probably going to do that this weekend too. I'm not really sure. So, until then, create well. See ya.